Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a problem belongs to area related to circles of class 10 CBSE. In this question, the figure is given and what is there? There are two concentric circles with center O is given and radius of the circles are 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter and we are supposed to find the area of the shaded portion. So concentric circles means we know, right? It will have the same center of a different radius. So the smaller circle is of 2 centimeter radius and this larger circle is of 5 centimeter radius. So we are supposed to find the area of the shaded portion. So what is the area of the shaded portion first? That means we need to find the area of what A, B, C, D. This region area we have to find, right? So actually what is marked in our question. So directly we don't have any formula to find that, but how can we find? We can find the sector of bigger circle. I can make the smaller circle as C1, bigger circle as C2. So sector of C2 we can find. And what is the region for the sector of C2? So O, A, B, C, O. This is a sector of the bigger circle. So from that what we are going to do, we'll subtract the sector of the smaller circle. Sector of circle C1. So what is the area of the sector of smaller circle? It is OEDO. So this is the sector of the smaller circle. So if I subtract, what will happen? So over here in this, so I'm going to do like this, O, A, B, C. Okay, this is the sector of the bigger circle. So in this we are going to cut the sector of the smaller circle. So if we cut this one OED, if we take this apart, so what is going to happen? If we remove this, we will get this area. This is how we are going to solve this problem. So first we'll start to find the sector of the circle C2. So we know the formula for sector of the circle, right? So what is the formula? It is theta by 360 into pi r square minus again one more sector, same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So we need to know what is theta and also we need to know what is the radius, right? So we'll come back to the question. So what is theta over here? So it is missed over here. This is theta is 60 degree. It is there in the question itself, 60 degree. So we are going to replace the theta value by 60 degree. And what about this radius for this sector? So what is this sector of circle C2? So what is the radius for the circle C2? It is 5. So for circle C2, the radius is 5 and for circle C1, the radius is 2. Okay, so just to have this. So we are going to use all these data over here. So can we start substituting the data? So theta is replaced with 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 instead of pi. And what about r? And this is the for circle C2. So r is 5 into 5 and minus same 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into here the radius is 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2, directly I am writing this as 4. Now we are going to solve this problem. Either we can do like this or one more formula also we can use. So what is that formula? I will write over here. So here what is common? Theta by 360 and pi is common, right? So only the difference is here one radius and here one radius. And you can keep this radius of big circle as capital R, which is capital R square, and the small radius as small r square. Directly you can use this formula also or we can use this formula too. So I over here I can take the common thing 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 and what is the leftover here? It is 25 and here it's going to be 4. So this will be easier, right? So I'm taking these things in common and only the radius are going to change, which is 25 minus 4. So now if we cancel this, how many times this will go? It is going for 6 times. And again we can cancel with the 2 table. Over here it is 3 and over here it is 11, right? Yes. So now our numerator is going to become 11 and our denominator is going to become 21 and 25 minus 4 is nothing but 21. So again 21 is going to get cancelled. We'll get the answer as 11 and since it is of centimeter, so we need to write this as centimeter square. So what is the area of the shaded region? Which is 11 centimeter square. Hope you understood. Thank you.